A warm welcome to the program Learn Twi with Opoku. In this episode, we're going to learn how to tell time in Twi. So pick up your pens and your papers and get ready for some vocabularies. Before we start, let's first of all remind ourselves about something that we have already learned already. And that is we have learned how to say what time is it in Twi. Do you remember? Try it. We say abosen. Abosen. What time is it? Abosen. Good. And then the person that we are asking would then start by saying abo. Abo. So if we say it's 1 o'clock, then the person will say abodonko. Abodonko. If it's 2 o'clock, then the person will say abonomienu. Abonomienu. In fact, we'll talk into details in this format in our next lesson. But today, we're going to talk about time, telling time in terms of days, weeks, months, or years. In the present, future, and then the past tenses. So stay tuned. Good. Let me cite this scenario and then we'll use that to explain what I want to teach. Imagine that your friend's mother tells you, your friend is coming. Definitely you might want to find out what day that your friend is coming. What day? So in Twi you ask, da ben. Da ben. Da ben. That is what day or what date. You ask da ben. Now when she tells you the day, then you might want to find out the time, the exact time that your friend will be coming. So you might ask, what time? In Twi you will say ebreben or breben. They are the same. Ebreben. 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 What time? And so if you want to say what time is he coming, then you say ebreben na oreba. But you say ebreben na oba. You write it ebreben na oreba. But we say ebreben na oba. So when is he coming? I want to pick him up. Ebreben oreba. Good. In all these, that is asking on what day is he coming on, at what time is he coming. The answer could be one of the following. The mother might respond, today, and that is ene, ene, ene. Your friend is coming today. We say that ene, ene, ene. Or you could say tomorrow. Tomorrow, which is ochina. Tomorrow, ochina. Ochina. Or she might say a day after tomorrow. In Twi we say ochina echi. Ochina echi. You know, ochina is tomorrow. And then echi means behind or back. So it's like saying a day behind tomorrow. You see? So after tomorrow we say ochinechi. Ochinechi. What about next week? Next week. Then she will say nawotwe a erebe. Nawotwe a erebe. Nawotwe means week. Nawotwe, it means week. However, this is a common terminology or a common word that mostly the young population use. Nawotwe. But the elderly mostly use another word, and that is dasene. Dasene. dasene, which also means what? Week. Or they will say dapen a erebe. Dapen a erebe. That is the coming week. The coming week. Dasene, when we say dasene, literally the person is saying a day like today. That is a day. Se means like. Ene, today. So a day like today. Dasene. A day like today. And so if today is Monday, what other day will be like Monday? The next Monday. So dasene. Next week. Next week. Good. And then dapen is also means a week. And this is the word that you mostly find in some of the Twi Bibles. Dapen. That is for a week. A week. And that is singular. For plural, they say, will say adapen. Adapen. So adapen mienu, adapen miensa, and so on and so forth. 2 weeks, 3 weeks, and so on and so forth. Dapen. Good. And she could also say next month. Next month. And that is bosomia yeribe simui. Bosomia yeribe simui. Or bosomia erebe. Bosomia erebe. Next month. Bosomia erebe. Or next year. Next year. Then she will say afe sese. Afe sese. Next year. Afe sese. Or afia yeribe simui. Afia yeribe simui. In fact, if you are writing, you will say yeribe simu. But in daily conversations, in normal daily conversations, we don't say it that way. We say afia yebe simui. Afia yebe simui. That is the coming year or next year. Good. All that have been said in the present and the future tense. But they can also be said in the past tense. So check the part 2 of this video to study how to tell time in the past tense. See you at the next video. Thank you.